Welcome back everybody and welcome back to an episode of Booster 2000. Today's episode is about something a little bit different, okay? So, retro cars, love them. Restorations, love them. Old class 80s, 90s skateboards, love them. Being born in 1983, Skyway banner, why? So, right, I've loved my old school BMXs. I've had a Mongoose Decade, I've had a Diamondback Viper, I've had GT Dinos, I've had a Falcon Freestyler, I've had old Universal bikes, I've had Harrow bikes, I've had loads. Biggest regret ever is getting rid of my Mongoose Decade. I say that's probably about 12 when I had it, and I swapped it for something really terrible, maybe like a Duncan Fernie cricket bat. I don't even play cricket. Most bikes like 1,500 to £2,000 now. I've had loads of bikes as well. In the past I've had like obviously like I don't know, like crappy ones and just made them look like reps. But anyhow, actually let's rewind back about 5-6 years ago. I had a really nice done a restoration. I had a Raleigh Tough Burner, I think it was. I'll put some pictures up of that now actually as I'm talking. So you can see that was a cool bike. So I put a post on Facebook saying looking for BMX and stuff like that kind of thing, want to buy one, bit of a beta, bit of a project. And this guy, Wayne, absolute superstar, messaged me straight away saying, Dan, got one for you, you can have it. It was a barn find, okay? It was a red line BMX, okay? And I put some pictures up now of a model and stuff like that. It was a beta. It was rusted, all the chrome was lifted and everything. So I've done a bit of work on it. I wasn't going to blog this, but it's coming out so good. And I just thought I'd share it with you. So I'll talk about what I actually have done. And I'll show you a finished project too. It's not how I would have done it. I'm not going for a new old stock look. I'm looking for a survivor look. It's going up on my wall, which you will see at the end of the video. Just tell me what you think. It's a bit of fun. And it's probably cost me sub 45 quid. All in, 50 quid. You can't go wrong with that, can you?
Hit subscribe.
We interrupt our program.
Okay, so first of all, the bike was de-stickered, okay? Then, obviously, I used some panel white to get the residue of the glue off. I used a Stanley blade to scrape them, and knowing I was going to sand it. I went through an 80, then a 240, feathered out all the corrosion and the chrome to make it nice. Next was the complete tear down. I haven't filmed this because it's just dirty and boring. Then use some of this Spectral etch primer, okay? So any bare metal, nice coverage of that. I then went on to basic bitch Halford's white primer, okay? I could have done all this with a gun. I'm doing a nice 2-pack, but I wanted a quick turnaround, okay? It is not going to be a masterpiece. It's not going to be something that's going to be sold on. It's going to be something that's going to put on a wall and enjoyed, okay? Matthew, don't shout, because I knew we were going to paint this in the body shop. I then went out, I bought 2 cans of fluorescent paint, okay? This stuff goes on like piss, okay? Really dusty, got in my hair and everything. I had to close the garage so I don't get overspray in a car. I've done it on the washing line. I've also done the derailleur, or whatever it's called, or the crank and stuff. I was going to change and swap it out for a 3-piece, but I didn't. I just sanded it all down and I used some textured black on there. I have a chain on its way. I'll attach that later on in the video. But so as I'm talking, you would have seen some pictures of how the bike came to me and how it is now, okay? I haven't done any videos of me sanding it and stuff. Didn't want to bore you. I weren't going to blog this. It's just I want to share with you how nice it has come out, okay? not a Skyway, it's a red line frame or whatever it is. Got a little kink there, need to put a bit of heat on it. And we've got the Skyway stickers on it. These were really rusty. They've been chromed back up using a scotch and some polishing agent, cutting compound. Yeah, that's it so far. Next job now is to clear coat with this Halford's Basic Bitch. We don't like rattle cans, by the way. Body Shop Lacquer Clear. Apparently it's got a wide fan. And all these paints, I did use my Welsh Food discount, which gave me 8% off also in Halfords, okay? So get involved with Welsh Food. And yes, I know what you're thinking. I'm painting a bike with a clamp on for the seat and with the crank on and stuff and the pedals and with a headset and all that on. Yeah, I am. Because like I said, it is a show piece. I want it back off a washing line so the wife can put some washing out and we can make a move to this weather. I literally just want a shine because I don't like the matte pink. Okay, so as far as rattle cans go, this stuff actually is okay. Hold on a minute, we've got a visitor. There, come on. Where's B? There he is. You okay? Come to see us, have you? So on the wheels, they were absolutely howling. They are original Skyways. Give them a bit of a quick clean. Need to give them a bit more detail, but we're going to get these back on there soon.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I've got some fettling to do with the brakes and setting up the gyro a bit better. I'm using the original cables on it, so I've not reused it, not bought new. I want to get some tyre shine on it when the paint is done. I've got some more stickers to come for it, and I've also got a pink chain to go on it. But for now, I'll do a quick little video for you, and I'll get this up on the wall, and I'll end the video here. It's just a bit of, well, 60-second makeover really, but yeah, tell me what you think. Okay, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to sub and watch some videos on this, skateboarding nonsense, and this, because it's got to be finished. So don't forget, pink chain, yeah, maybe a lean back seat post. We've got some Skyway decals, maybe to go here or here, and down here. Maybe I will get a different set of bars on it, a different set of grips. But at the moment, I'm well happy with that. It's very period. It could have been done better, I suppose. Also, I've still got to finish this bad boy because it needs a set of mirrors, it needs the dished wheels, it needs a handle on the back so I can push her. It needs some trim on the inside of the door cards, it needs a seat, it needs harnesses. Then we need to use it, get her out, boosting in it. That'll be pretty cool. Another video to come on that sometime soon. And very lastly, big shout out to this guy over here on eBay for sorting me out with stickers. And apparently because I'm Welsh, he sent me a few more for free. Top lad, cheers Mark.